1.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive, and keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. Choo-choo, my brain is a boat. I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. Let's visit the planet Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet Mars. Red planet, million stars. I'm single along on the planet Mars. I'm